Welcome to Indra channel from Department of Mechanical Engineering from Karpaga College of Engineering and Technology. Let's discuss about projection and isometric view to orthographic projection in engineering graphics. Let's start with isometric. It's an isometric 3D object. It has x, y, z is isometric. From this isometric, the 2D object is projected. It is a orthographic. The orthographic is projected by front view, top view, and side view. This is the next we're going to see the projection. This is the reference plane, VP, vertical plane. The object is kept before the plane, and light source is kept before the object. When the light source is reflected on the object, the image is projected on the plane. There is a projection. Next, in stop light, observer is kept as a human being viewed by viewing the object that is projected on the image is projected on the plane. See the image that are projected in the plane. See the projection. This is the plane of projection. This is the plane of projection. There are two planes. One is vertical plane VP, horizontal plane HP. When both the planes intersect together, they form a reference line named as XY. The planes are projected in opposite direction. They form a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Let's see the first quadrant. The object is kept on the first quadrant. Before going to see the first quadrant, let us name this object or HP plane, that is above. This is above. This is above HP. This is below HP. This is in front of VP. This is object for a vertical plane in front of VP. Object is behind VP. Let's start with the first quadrant. Observer is viewing from the first quadrant. There is a front view. The object is kept on the first quadrant. That is above HP, in front of VP. Then second quadrant, object is kept on the plane. That is above HP. The object in behind VP. Observer is viewing from the right side, same position. Then third quadrant, object is kept in the third quadrant. That is object is named as below HP, behind VP. Then fourth quadrant, object is kept in the fourth quadrant, that is below HP, in front of VP. When object is kept in the first quadrant, only the vertical plane is visible. The horizontal plane is not visible because this is a top view. Invisible plane is rotated clockwise 90 degree. After rotating clockwise 90 degree, both the planes are visible. In this, similar for the second, third and fourth, when which plane is not visible, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. Let's start with the first quadrant. When the object is kept in the first quadrant, only the front view is visible, that is the VP. Invisible plane is HP, that is the top view. The invisible plane that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. So the top view comes below the reference plane XY. The front view comes above the reference plane, that is VP. This is the reference line. See the front view above XY, the top view below XY. Then second quadrant, when the object is kept in the second quadrant, only the front view is visible, that is projected on VP. Invisible plane is HP, that is the top view, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. Before rotating 90 degree, the vertical plane is above XY. Invisible plane is HP, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. Similarly, the one plane is above HP. After rotating 90 degree, the second plane lies on the same plane. Here, BP and HP comes on same direction. BP and HP comes above the reference plane XY. Then third quadrant, the object is kept in the third quadrant. Only the front view is visible. The top view is invisible, that is a HP. Only the VP is visible. Invisible plane is top view, HP, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. The front view is the VP, that is the front view that comes below reference plane XY. The top view is HP, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. So top view comes above the reference plane XY. The front view comes below the reference plane XY. HP is the top view, comes above the reference plane XY. The front view is VP, that comes below the reference plane XY. Then fourth quadrant is the fourth quadrant. When the object is kept in the fourth quadrant, only the front view is visible, that is VP, that comes below the reference plane XY. The top view is invisible, that is HP, that is rotated clockwise 90 degree. After rotating clockwise 90 degree, HP lies on VP. HP lies on VP. When both the planes are in same direction, lies on same plane. So we are not following this fourth quadrant. We are following only the first quadrant. Let's see the first angle method of projection. This is a front view. This is the first quadrant. The object is kept in the first quadrant. Object is being on the right side. The front view is projected on VP. The top view is projected on HP. When viewing from front view, only the front view is visible in VP. HP is not visible because it is a top view. So HP is invisible plane. Invisible plane is rotated clockwise 90 degree. After rotating clockwise 90 degree, HP comes below the reference plane XY. When viewing from first quadrant, both the planes are visible after rotating clockwise 90 degree. See, front view comes above the reference plane X, that is VP. The top view comes below the reference plane HP. Then third angle method of projection is the third quadrant. The object is kept in third quadrant. Object is viewing from right side. There is a front view. The object is below behind the VP. When viewing from front view, only the front view is visible on VP. There is front view is projected on VP. The top view in HP plane. The top view is projected on HP plane. When viewing from the front view, only the front view is visible in VP. Invisible plane is HP, that is the top view. Invisible plane that is rotated to clockwise 90 degree. After rotating clockwise 90 degree, when again viewing from the front view, both the planes are visible. The front view lies on below the reference plane VP. The top view lies above the reference plane HP. See the difference for first and third quadrant. See the top view in HP plane above the reference plane. The front view comes below the reference plane VP. Thank you for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.